Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. If you love stylish crochet fashion, handmade creativity and trendy summer looks, you are in the perfect place. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video and turn on notification for more crochet fashion inspiration and beautiful design collections. Today we are exploring an amazing collection of crop tops, crochet bra tops, Brazilian crochet tops, crochet shirts and trendy handmade fashion ideas. This collection is filled with modern patterns, beautiful texture, elegant stitch details, and fashionable designs that are perfect for creating stylish and unique look. From delicate crochet bra patterns to trendy crop tops and stunning Brazilian-inspired crochet designs, every piece in this collection showcases creativity, craftsmanship, and fashion-forward style. So relax and enjoy these beautiful crochet tops ideas that are inspiring crochet lovers everywhere. Let's begin with gorgeous crochet crop top designs. The pattern creates a modern and youthful appearance with beautiful stitch details that make the design stand out instantly. The balance of texture and gives this crochet crop top fashionable and trendy look. Stunning Brazilian-inspired crochet top. Brazilian crochet top fashion is known for its bold patterns, artistic details, and eye-catching textures. This design beautifully demonstrates how crochet can be transformed into a fashionable statement piece. This crochet showcases a combination of decorative stitches and modern styling. The pattern creates visual interest throughout the design while maintaining a clean and elegant appearance. Every stitch contributes to the beauty of the finished pieces. Here we have a beautiful crochet shirt designs feature delicate patterns, work and excellent stitch definition. The texture creates depth and dimension, giving the shirt a sophisticated and fashionable look. Crochet shirts continue to be one of the most popular handmade fashion trends. This Brazilian crochet top features intricate motifs and beautiful textural effect. The pattern creates movement across the fabric, making the design appear dynamic and fashionable. These artistic details make Brazilian crochet style unique and highly admired. The next crochet crop top showcases delicate stitch combinations that create light and elegant appearance. The beautiful pattern flows naturally throughout the design, resulting in a stylish and modern crochet pattern. Here we have another trendy crochet top featuring stunning texture and stylish detailing. This design combination simplicity with sophistication, creating a fashionable piece that feels both modern and timeless. This Brazilian crochet design showcases artistic stitch work and beautiful decorative elements. The pattern reflects creativity and craftsmanship while maintaining a fashionable and contemporary appearance. Moving forward, we can admire this crochet feature elegant provoke details and beautiful pattern adaptation. The combination of texture and structure creates a polished and preferred refined design that stand out beautifully. The next crochet bra top features intricate stitch arrangements that create beautiful texture effective. Every section contributes to the overall elegance of the design, resulting in a truly eye-catching crochet creation. The Brazilian inspired crochet top showcase bold patterns, work creative stitch combinations. The design highlights the artistic side of crochet fashion and demonstrates how handmade garments can become fashion statements. This crochet crop top features modern silhouettes enhanced by decorative crochet textures. The combinations of contemporary, stylish, and traditional crochet techniques create a fashionable and versatile design. The next crochet bra design displays beautiful craftsmanship and excellent stitch definition. The carefully arranged patterns enhances the overall appearance and adds a touch of elegance to the garment. Thank you for watching this collection of crochet crop tops, crochet Brazilian crop tops, and crochet shirt designs. We hope these beautiful patterns and fashionable ideas inspire your next crochet projects and help you discover new trends in handmade crochet fashion. So if you are new here, please subscribe our channel, like, share, and do comments. You can share it with your friends and crochet lovers. Watch whole video till the end. These beautiful designs continue to inspire handmade fashion lovers around the world. From texture patterns and decorative motifs to elegant stitch combinations and modern styling. These crochet shirt designs showcase beautifully balanced between decorative details and practical styling. The elegant stitch work creates a visually appealing pattern that enhances the overall beauty of the garment. Thanks for watching.